This is a brand new cycleway in Utrecht in the Netherlands. The entire street has been reconstructed. From facade to facade, everything was taken out and replaced. The cycleway is now 50 centimeters wider than before. That may not sound like much, but it makes cycling here feel noticeably more pleasant and safer. The city of Utrecht wanted to improve the livability, safety and economic vitality of the Amsterdamsestraatweg. The new design creates a comfortable environment for residents and an attractive setting for local businesses. The Amsterdamsestraatweg is about 5 kilometers long and unusual for Utrecht. Unlike most streets, it runs in a perfectly straight line. That's because Napoleon Bonaparte ordered its construction in 1811 as part of the improved route from Paris to Amsterdam through Utrecht. It was built in 1812 as Route Imperial No. 2. Only after the A2 motorway opened in the 1950s did it turn into a city street. Old photographs show that the more rural parts already had separate cycleways in the 1920s. Inside the city there were only fragments, with cyclists forced to use painted lanes on the road for the most part. Around the year 2000, the entire street finally received continuous cycleways, the very ones now replaced. The old layout no longer matched how the street was used. It gave too much space to motor traffic. The reconstruction took 15 months and was carried out in phases. Every element was replaced, including the unhealthy trees. The new design focuses on livability. There's more room to walk, cycle and linger. Motor traffic is now limited to 30 kilometers per hour. The carriageway has 2 asphalt lanes, each 2.75 meters wide, with a 1 meter strip in between. It looks like brick, but it is actually a printed asphalt pattern. To keep speeds down, humps were added every 100 meters. The cycleways are 2.5 meters wide in smooth red asphalt. The footways are also at least 2.5 meters wide with brick surfacing. Shop displays typical of this street are now limited to 50 centimeters in depth. Shopkeepers would have preferred 1 meter, as before, so it will be interesting to see how this develops. Crossing the street is easier now. Crossings are broken into stages, something seen as an advantage in the Netherlands. Where many people are expected, central islands add a stage to shorten the crossing even more. These raised crossings with their brick surface also slow down traffic. Most functions are placed in a strip between the road and the cycleway. Here you find the newly planted trees, planting beds, bicycle parking, now more than before, and car parking bays, now fewer than before. Some loading bays can also be used for car parking outside delivery hours. Together these elements create a calmer street, where it is pleasant to shop, sit at an outdoor café, walk or cycle. And the design is future-proof. When car traffic decreases further, the street can easily become a cycle street where cars are guessed. The carriageway would then be the cycle street, and today's cycleway would be added to the footway. This way, the Amsterdamsestraatweg is ready both for today and for the future.